Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi, in his address to the State Assembly on the first day of budget session, pressed on the need to swiftly move towards the final solution to the Naga political issue. The governor added that substantial gains made so far, following years of negotiations between centre and Naga groups, must be taken into consideration. Take a look.
Nagaland yearning for final solution to Naga issue. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi bats for early solution to vexed political issue. Addressing the 7th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Governor R.N. Ravi today said that there is a need to move swiftly towards the final solution to the Naga issue.
One of the most important missions of the government for the past many months. The early resolution of the long drawn-out Naga political issue also continued to remain the focus. As you are aware, the negotiations going on between the Government of India and the Naga groups over the past many years have been concluded. There is now a need for efforts to build on the substantial gains made so far and to move swiftly for the final solution.
Governor R.N. Ravi also stated that time is high for reaching at the final solution when negotiations between the centre and the various Naga groups have concluded. Delivering his address, Governor R.N. Ravi also termed the October 15 consultative meeting with different stakeholders is a historic move by the Nephew Rio-led PDA government. According to Ravi, all Naga groups, including civil society organizations, tribal groups, church bodies, as well as political parties, have expressed in unison that an inclusive solution to the vexed Naga issue is the need of the hour. A 7-point unanimous resolution was also adopted in this meeting.
My government, on the 15th October 2020, convened a historic consultative meeting at Kohima with all the tribal hosts, civil society organizations, political parties, and representatives of various other sections of the society on the Naga political issue. There were detailed discussions, and it was reiterated that there will be only one solution for the Naga political issue. A 7-point unanimous resolution was also adopted.
Governor Ravi also referred to a joint statement by Chief Minister Nephew Rio and Leader of Opposition T.R. Zaliang welcoming the steps taken by the centre for an early solution.
Taking another significant step towards further facilitating the peace process, on 18th December 2020, a joint statement was issued by Sri Nephew Rio, the Honourable Chief Minister, and Sri T.R. Zaliang, Honourable Leader of the Opposition. The joint statement welcomed the positive approach of the Government of India under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi, Honourable Prime Minister, and Sri Amit Shah, Honourable Union Home Minister, towards expediting the ongoing peace talks and urged all the Naga groups to come together under the spirit of reconciliation, mutual trust and understanding, and strive with sincerity.
Meanwhile, the Nagaland governor also talked about the improved law and order scenario in the state. The Nagaland police, in order to tackle the menace of extortion and curb instances of illegal taxation, has set up anti-extortion cells in all the districts. These anti-extortion cells work in close coordination with other law enforcement and security agencies to contain illegal activities, R.N. Ravi added.
Honourable members, the general law and order situation in the state has remained largely peaceful. There have been some localized incidents which were contained with swiftness by the district administration and police. We continue to strengthen the capabilities of Nagaland Police. The Nagaland Police, in order to tackle the menace of extortion and curb instances of illegal taxation, has set up anti-extortion cells in all the districts of the state, which work in close coordination with other law enforcement and security agencies to contain illegal activities.
it remains to be seen as to how soon a solution to the Naga political issue can be reached at. With all major issues being resolved so far between the centre and the Naga negotiating groups, it seems that the issue of a separate flag and constitution of the NSC-NIM has hindered the further progress of the talks for a final solution. With inputs from Sarah Konyak, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.